Welcome to this video on grammar learning. Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to learn about prepositions in the easiest way possible. But first, what are prepositions? Prepositions are words that show the relationship between nouns and other words in a sentence. Types of prepositions. Prepositions of place tell us where something is. They are in, on, under, next to, behind, between, and in front of. Prepositions of time tell us when something happens. They are on, in, at, before, after, during, since, for, by, and until. Prepositions of direction and movement tell us how something moves. They are to, from, into, out of, across, toward, along, over, onto, off, under, through, away from, and past. Let's see them in detail with examples. The cat is on the box. The cat is under the box. The cat is next to the box. The cat is behind the box. The cat is in front of the box. The cat is between two boxes. The cat is in the box. I started school in 2015. We have a holiday on Monday. School starts at 8 a.m. I eat breakfast before school. We play football after school. I studied math during school hours. I have been in this school since 2020. I have been in school for 5 years. I need to be at school by 7:45 a.m. I will stay at school until 3 p.m. The fish jumps into the water. The fish jumps out of the tank. The fish jumps onto the rock. The fish slips off the rock. The fish leaps over the log in the water. The fish swims under the boat. The fish swims through the tunnel. The fish swims across the river. The fish moves toward the coral reef. The fish swims away from the shark. The fish swims along the shoreline. The fish swims past the seaweed. The fish swims to the rock. Until we meet again, take care, and thank you.